shoeboxes they are. Right up here, all looking pretty and ready to party. You can't beat the audio on them, man. Sure can. Hi, good morning to you, my friend. It's almost lunchtime in Raleighwood, sure is. Hope you're having a great big end of the year and hope the start treats you well. 5, Big Rock. Old Cat Daddy, your friend in the south side of Raleighwood, is right back. Sure is. I got it all, though, but I'm falling in and out of your radio, and you're falling in and out of mine, so take care. My friend, good to hear your voice at the end of the year. Hope you hear it now. Sure do. 5, Big Rock, Cat Daddy, your friend in Raleighwood, North Kakalaki, the man with the pussycats is gone.
How about it, Cat Daddy? Before Mother Nature fades away, I want to wave the 4-1. Hey, Cat Daddy, 808 Colorado.
Hello, 808. I was just showing somebody last month the video games of me and you talking a couple years back, man. They said, Cat Daddy, you're not on YouTube. I said, well, I beg to differ. I got a friend in the Rockies there, right?
Oh, copy that. Oh, you gotta, you know, that's what I do it for. When I was starting out back in the day, it was kind of neat to hear just cassette recordings of yourself. But now with technology and YouTube, it's just so much fun. But I don't want to hog up anything. I want to wish you a Happy New Year, Cat Daddy. It's always been a pleasure. 808. I got you on YouTube again. 808 God.
I tell him I'm just a simpleton, I'm just a nobody, man, but Cat Daddy can get in there in between the keys, sure can. Take care, Mr. 808, your friend Cat Daddy, the man with the podcast.
All right, Cat Daddy, yeah, have a good blessed New Year, prosperous 22. Cat Daddy, 808, waving from the Rockies. Aloha.
Mr. 808, Cat Daddy in Raleighwood. What are you doing? Come on and take a drive. Mr. James? Mr. James, I apologize for not seeing you when you rode by the first time, man. You might not have had your windows all the way down. My pussycat's out here on the front lawn, man, so I try to acknowledge everybody as a but I seen you creeping with those tinted windows, and you got the road on side passenger windows. Tony's in these Carolinas. Tony's reading that mail. Boy, if you take care of him, Mr. James, take you on that in, man. It don't take much to move Cat Daddy. I'm just cruising 180 watts out here to sure end. So somebody... Mr. James, take care, big man. Happy New Year when it gets here. Cat Daddy, the man in Raleighwood, North Kakalaki with the pussycat is in the clear. Tony in these Carolina looking for conditions, mate.
How about a Tony in the Carolinas? You got conditions in the Rockies. Hey, Tony, Carolinas, 808 Colorado.
Ain't that right?
That's rough and tough. Negative contact, Tony.
Mr. Cat Daddy. Christmas Day wave at you, but a happy New Year to you. Tony in the Carolina, baby. We got a road show to do for the, so we're just kind of laying low. out. My girls got the nails done, got the hair all shampooed out. And I had a couple of my local mud ducks come up here to shampoo. Man, I got them looking good, and I don't want them to sweat. You know how it is, man. A woman gets her hair done, she don't want to go to sweating, and, you know, we got to wait till tomorrow night so we can go out and do what we got to do. 5, take care, Cat Daddy. Me and my pussycat here in Rollywood is gone.
Maybe I'll slide that old big antenna around just a little bit more to see what can I hear and who can I talk to today. Tony's in these Carolinas. Tony's reading that mail. Mate.
I put some weight on Tony's backside, man. I touch his beam up, put some weight on Tony's backside if he stays still long enough. Cat Daddy Cackalack can get down. Mate.
All right, Cat Daddy, you got me rolling. I'm about 6 minutes and 20 seconds into the gate, man. You're going to like this one. We're just sitting back.
But I was talking so good to my friend. Excuse me, but I was talking so good to my friend in 5 in Colorado, I didn't want to touch the beam. You know how things get bouncing around. If Tony wants to get smart, I will touch his beam up to the OKC and put some weight on his back. Me and the pussycat's getting down.
All right, Cat Daddy, leave it where it's at, man. You're looking good on the video gate. We're just sitting back and listening. Hey, Cat Daddy, 808, listening.
Yeah, Roger, 808. I appreciate it, man. Well, I told him I got my pussycats back from the beauty parlor, man. They're ready to go. Hey, Mr. 808, just in case you didn't know, man, I do have 4 pussycats up in this Carolina control room with me, man. 2 cinnamon colors, 1 red bone, and 1 pussycat that's so damn black. Hey, 5, listen to me. I got 1 pussycat in this Carolina control room that's so damn black I had to get a special permit just so she could drink white milk. There I am.
All right, Cat Daddy, I'm going to go back into the house, man. See what the kids are doing, man. But, man, I appreciate you always making it lively and fun. Hey, Cat Daddy, I'm going to let the gate roll. That's about 7 minutes and 45 seconds into it. Cat Daddy, 808 in the Rockies.
5 in the Big Rock. The girl is so black, I had to get a special permit from the city just so she could drink white milk right back.
Good morning to you, because Cat Daddy rides my back, man. Hey, Cat Daddy, I'm going to say good morning to you, because doggone, I'm going to say, good Lord have mercy, I done got confused on this, trying to make it in. But
well, see, that's the thing about these pussycats, man. When we go do a road show, I show up, and I go about every taste that shows up at the party. With the 2 cinnamon colors, you know, we kick it back to the early 70s with that red bone. But that black girl of mine, like I said, she's dark, man. She's dark. She's darker than deep black chocolate, dark chocolate. Hey, 5, Big Rock. Cat Daddy. I'm on my talk show. I'm just having fun. I see it.